Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck, and today we're going to be creating a Seasons of Style tin container arrangement. So you can see we've got this tin in two different sizes. Here you can see the smaller size. We've created a simple design, and it's utilizing one stem of a variety of different materials and then a couple of the empress cremones right in the middle to really capture your attention. But it's a great way to finish up your day and clean off your table and just create that different look, that little bit more bohemian, open look. As we start this design, the first thing that we're going to insert is some of the huckleberry. And this is a green that I'm grooving on right now. I feel it adds a lot of perceived value and really gives that in and out look in a design. It's one of those value greens that you're able to really add a lot of look for not that much cost. And we know that we have to kind of really work at controlling those costs right now. Then I'm going to add a little bit of leatherleaf to just give a different texture in there, and I'm using some of the longer pieces to just be efficient with my insertions. So you can see that that creates a real open, loose base. The next thing we're going to do is start creating the hug on this design. It comes a little bit more out on the edges, so we're going to create that framework coming out. You can see the repetition that I'm using, doing things on one side and then repeating it on the other side. Sometimes I'll have it be the same material, and other times we'll have it be a different material product types, but in complementary colors. Now here's one thing that is a pro tip, and what I'm going to do is take this stem and cut it in half. So I'm going to use the longer part of it over the edge so that the cut part will be buried. And then I'm using the inside of that stem or the top of that stem to just reinforce it a little bit deeper so that you get a little bit more of a better depth perception on that with just a couple insertions. So you can see I've kind of done the whole perimeter, and I haven't really put a lot of flowers into the middle. That's really because this is going to be sitting kind of below. That's that updated style where we're seeing those arms kind of gather up and hug, and then the middle flowers down in lower. So I like to do the exterior and then come in and add that recessed center. The rose that I just added is one of the new varieties that we're carrying called Queen's Crown. It's one of the quartered center roses that really has a high petal count, and you can see is really a solid anchor into the focal area of this design. You can see the strength of the colors of these ranunculus with that dark pink color. What I've done is done placement throughout the design to really create your eye to come back into that strength of the focal area. So it comes out, dances throughout the other floral materials, and then comes back into that primary focal. On this, to be able to get the most value out of this millet, what I'm going to do is use the bottom of that stem and lay it with the top of that stem and get that additional foliage to utilize within my design. Adds a little bit more strength as you're inserting as well. So here's one of our great arrangements, styles of season, perfect for those festive celebrations of the autumn season. I hope you'll take this textural mix of long-lasting florals and that variety of floral materials and bring it to your customers. I'm sure they'll enjoy it on their table as much as we enjoyed making it. If you like this video, make sure and hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the different product mixes that we used, the ingredient list will be in the bio below, and also links to other videos that we have on the YouTube channel. We have a variety of design educational videos, business videos, and new product previews. So we'll see you soon, and I hope we inspired you to create some fabulous florals.